Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. We saw a bit of a dip in the precious metal prices today, but silver is kind of holding on a little bit above $17 an ounce. So let's kind of explore some of the reasons why we think this could be the case. This comes to us from FX Empire, silver price forecast. Silver markets continue to find buyers on the dips. The silver markets fell a bit during the trading session on Thursday, but found buyers underneath the $17 level. Because of this, there is certainly more of an upward bias in the market, and with central bankers meeting in Jackson Hole, that's the Federal Reserve, over the next couple of days, headlines will continue to drive the market. Silver markets pulled back during the trading session on Thursday, but has found plenty of buyers underneath the $17 level to turn around to form a supportive-looking candlestick. Ultimately, the author thinks there is plenty of support all the way down to at least the $16.50 level, an area that had previously been massive resistance. With that being said, it's only a matter of time before value hunters come back in, and the central bankers meeting out of Jackson Hole over the next couple of days. One would have to think it's only a matter of time before something dovish is set. Now, certainly they're going to probably consider very strongly another rate cut, although some were against the last rate cut that occurred. We've heard a couple of minor Fed chair people suggesting interest rate cuts are necessary, but it also appears that the markets didn't believe that for more than for 5 minutes. That being said, the markets have been pushing central banks into action. And the author thinks the precious metal markets won't be any different. Ultimately, as long as we can stay above the $16.50 level, then the author thinks it goes higher. If we break down below there, then we could test a 50-day EMA, which is painted in red, to the upside. And there's a $17.50 level above would be a target. Bottom line is that there's some sentiment that there's some potential for silver, and buyers are looking at it, even with the price dips. And I think that's one reason why we saw it stay above that $17 level here. Buyers are moving in with the ETF markets and the like, and we'll see what happens and how this all plays out. And of course, keep in mind that I just posted a video not too long ago about price manipulation by JP Morgan. And the SLV market, they control it. So how much of that is playing into this? And is there more brazen market manipulation by short trading, by low-level employees? Or is it being hidden? Or have they stopped? And what we're seeing here is natural market movements. We'll find out. But nonetheless, I think that it does bode well and says something that there's some potential for silver to climb up, and then this may be a bargain price, and this could be the beginning of the tightening of the ratio between gold to silver. But then again, it could move the other way, as the author mentioned. We could see that move below that $16.50 hard floor that he says. I think the floor is 17. I very seriously doubt we'll see below 17 through the end of the year. But I've been wrong before about that. I don't take my predictions too seriously by any stretch, but I'm surprised really that gold has dipped now below the $1,500 level, although albeit not by much. So we'll see. Will this ratio tighten up? We'll find out. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude y'all for watching and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.